MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional gas furnace repair in Pottstown, PA, helping homeowners and businesses maintain safe, reliable heating throughout the colder months. If your gas furnace is not heating properly, making unusual noises, cycling frequently, or experiencing ignition issues, our experienced technicians can quickly diagnose and repair the problem. We service all major gas furnace brands and use quality parts to restore efficiency and performance. Our team prioritizes safety, comfort, and long-lasting results with every repair. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for dependable gas furnace repair in Pottstown, PA, and enjoy consistent warmth and peace of mind all winter long. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a gas furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides gas furnace repair in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional gas furnace repair in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses experiencing heating system issues. What are common signs that I need gas furnace repair? Several warning signs may indicate you need gas furnace repair in Pottstown, PA. Common symptoms include uneven heating, cold air coming from vents, unusual noises, higher energy bills, frequent cycling, or a furnace that will not turn on. What is your gas furnace repair in Pottstown, PA? Our gas furnace repair has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://peachmashfats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown.